So I was on my way over to Felix's house, and I started hearing this fucking noise. Fuck, dude. So that's sick. It tries to kill my engine every once in a while. I'm not quite sure what it is, but it's not ideal. Bro, you want to hear some shit?
Yeah, Doc.
This just started happening right as I pulled in.
What?
What is going on, guys? We are back at it again with another video. This is actually going to be our first video back from our trip to California. So if you guys haven't seen those videos, they're going to be linked up in this video. They're a lot of fun. Go back and watch them. They're sick. So recently we've actually hit a pretty big milestone for me. We've gotten the channel up to 1,500 subscribers, which is insane. It's so much more than I ever thought would have happened, and I'm so grateful for all of you guys that pressed that subscribe button. And if you haven't, fucking press it. I swear to God. I swear to God. We got a lot of projects coming up, a lot of stuff that's going to be going on my car, a lot of stuff on my friends' cars, and I just hope you guys are prepared, because I am honestly, it's time to go hard. It's time to go hard. I don't know what to tell you guys. 2021 is the year of the grind. I said it already. Let's make it a reality, baby. So we're starting the video out going to one of my buddy Felix's house. He's one of my coworkers, and we've known each other. We go fucking way back. Now, Felix is the proud owner of a 70s Toyota Celica, which, as you guys are about to see, is pretty sweet, but we're making it cooler. But let's get into it. I'll show you guys what we're doing, and if you guys want to see what's wrong with my car, make sure you stay until the end of the video, because it's fucked up. See you guys in a bit. All right, guys, so this is Felix's little fucking Celica. Tell us a little bit about it.
Shit, I don't know, man. I fucking bought this thing when I was in college, thinking that it was gonna be dope as fuck. And honestly, I just wanted to make it cherry. It had a 20R in it. I went ahead and threw a Weber at it because everybody said that was the way to go, make it reliable. That was shit.
Yeah, fuck carburetors in general. It's 2021.
Yep, that was shit. And then this fool over here told me to freaking beam swap it.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do any of the sort.
Yeah, right.
I didn't have any say in it.
Beam swap it, dude. It'll be more reliable, dude. Beam swap it.
Hey, but I mean, it will be.
2 years back, I started doing this, and now here we are. After 2 years of fucking with it.
It's in the bay.
It's in the car.
Like, really, it's pretty much there. You got the steering sorted. You got the mounting sorted. All we gotta do is make it run.
Agreed. There's so much shit that needs to be done, though.
We've devised a little list of like stuff that we have to do. First off, we're gonna start out by getting a battery situated in it. Likely gonna be doing that somewhere in the rear, just to clear up space in the engine bay. We're gonna have to find a way to wire all of the beams electronics in, and then figure out what we have to take out and keep of the stock harness. Other than that, we gotta plumb it, get some fuel lines ran, get a new fuel pump in that'll be able to support the fuel injection instead of carburation, with a fuel pressure regulator and all that kind of stuff.
I mean, once we get the engine to crank and start, then we can start worrying about, intake and cooling.
Yeah.
But I'd say the main focus right now is getting fuel to it and freaking figuring out the power supply.
Yeah, I'd say so. I think one of the first things we're going to probably be able to start out with is getting the fuel pump in the tank.
Yeah.
Just because we don't really have anything else at this point. He's got a Walbro 255, I believe, and an air-motive fuel pressure regulator, the gauge and all that kind of stuff. So we'll be able to install that all on the car, get our 50 psi up to the front, and hopefully be able to run the beams on it. Yeah, let's get the tank out. So we get the new pump in, we got to take the tank out. It's just a few lines up here, a couple bolts on the side, and then the filler lines over on this side. So we'll go ahead and take those out, get the tank out. So we got the tank out, we got the old hanger out. This is our little baby carbureted fuel pump. We're going to be replacing that big old guy.
Okie dokie.
So first we're going to want to start off by getting that old fuel pump out.
Literally, I kept this a spool of fucking chicken wire
Yeah.
and a screwdriver in this car in order to get anywhere.
Yeah, I mean, that's how old cars were, bro. All you needed with a carburetor is a little fucking flathead screwdriver and some other dumb shit. So we got the old pump out. New pump is going in. This isn't actually going to fit with the stock mount, so we're going to have to go ahead and just zip tie it down. But it should be in there nice and firm once we get everything all situated with all the clamps and everything. That is going to be our new fuel pump.
Don't worry, we're gonna freaking change this gasket at some point. This is test fitting purposes only. For now.
Yeah, just gotta make sure it works first. Oh yeah, that's butter, dude. So we got the tank in, we got the pump in. I'm gonna see if I can hotwire it and get it to run. Let me know what we got, Felix.
Yep. Oh fuck. Ready?
Yep. Oh yeah, baby. We got fuel. Now we just gotta get the fuel from that guy to that guy. That's a big ass step, dude. We just took a big ass step.
For real.
So I think I found something out. It's not ideal. So what I was thinking, since the engine kind of seemed like it wanted to die every once in a while, it's something that turns on and off, makes me think AC. And so I turned the AC off, and you guys can't hear the noise. Instantly it comes back on, instantly kills the engine. Oh my god, look at that. And then my AC compressor is seized, dude. My AC compressor is seized. Fuck! That sucks. At least that happened during the winter time. As you can see, it's fucking snowing, but oh god, that's not good. That's gonna be spendy. That's gonna be spendy.
Here's one for the broken road. That's the only one, you know. You better run out, truth or dare.